in AP Calculus test, year 2012, I think, we have this question. Let function f of x equals x squared plus x over x if x doesn't equal 0. And the function equals 1 if x equals 0. Step function. Which of the following statements is true? First, f of 0 exists. F of 0. That means if you plug it in 0, it will exist. And if you have step function, it must exist in both steps. So step 1, you plug it in 0, it will be 0. It will be 0 squared plus 0 over 0 equals 0 over 0. That's step 1. And 0 over 0 is not a number. It's rejected. Okay, so if you see that f of 0 doesn't exist in the first step, that means even if it exists as they mentioned, it exists. It has value here, 1. But the matter of fact, it must exist in both steps. So if the first step or second step, the given value f of 0 doesn't exist, that means f of 0 doesn't exist. Here, this one. The second statement, the limit of function f of x when x approaches 0 exists. We have to study both steps, the limit. So the limit of the first step, limit of x squared plus x divided by x when x approaches 0. We work around x equals 0. To find the limit, you see that x squared plus x, you could take x outside, or you could divide x squared by x and x by x. So simplify, it will be limit when x approaches 0. You take x outside, x squared divided by x is x, and x divided by x is 1, divided by x. And then we're going to cancel out x with x. So the function, the limit of the function when x approaches 0, it will be, after we simplify, will be x plus 1. And now we're going to plug it in 0 for x. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. So the value here is 1. The limit of step 1 is 1. And already we are given step 2, the limit equals 1 on step 2. So step 1 is 1 and step 2 is 1. So the function, if you have both steps are equals, limits, so the function has limit in both sides and both steps, so it exists. The third condition, f is continuous at x equals 0. Right away, close your eyes when you see one of them marked no, one of them, no, that means it's not continuous. This is one not continuous. So f of 0 doesn't exist, so it's not continuous. Or even if it exists, but the limit doesn't exist, it's not continuous, discontinuous function. But the condition for continuous function, the value must exist and the limit must exist, and also the value and the limit are equal. Okay,